Hey guys, welcome to another video of John Shrestha. In our last video, we did a chemistry tutorial, and I'm really excited in this video because we're gonna have a minecart ride all the way to learn about extinct animals. Yeah, so let's go. Let's get on with today's video. Scientist intro. Welcome to Extinction Minecraft Safari. You are now about to see some of the most charismatic species that have lived throughout human history but are no longer roaming the earth. Ride the roller coaster back through time and discover how different species have been lost forever. This chest is full of Minecraft. When I say full, I mean full. Let's get on. Minecarts. Okay, this is the saber-toothed cat, so I was right. This is a saber-tooth, so Simodin fatalis. That's its scientific name. It's cast with jams at maximum gape. This saber-toothed skull cast with jaws at maximum gape. This file is licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution Share like 3.0. Important. Okay, so this thing is massive. Ooh. Yeah, it's massive. So I see there's a ladder down here. What is that? Oh, I don't know what it does. Okay, let's get on. Let's get on with our roller coaster ride. Let's talk to the scientist behind here. Saber-toothed cat. 23 million to 10,000 years ago, the saber-toothed cat and other giant animals lived in the American grasslands. At the end of Ice Age, the changing climate caused massive changes to the ecosystem. These changes and hunting by humans are believed to have caused the saber-toothed cat go extinct. It's pretty sad. Okay, let's go to the next one. Riding under it. Oh, it's an Irish elk. So elks are these, they look like mooses. So this is the Irish elk. So that's the scientific name, which I'm not going to pronounce, because I can't. That's the skeletal reconstruction. Okay, and now I'll give you like 30 seconds to read this if you want to. Okay, that's enough time. Okay, so this is the Irish elk was one of the most abundant deer that ever lived. Many scientists argue that factors like environmental change, virulent disease, and hunting by humans wiped out many large mammal species during the end of the European Ice Age, including the Irish elk. Let's see what this does. Does it read it? Oh,
The Irish elk was one of the most abundant deer that ever lived.
let's go back.
Many scientists argue that factors like
Okay, you don't need an immersive reader. I might use the immersive reader sometimes. Throw back again. Oh, my minecart just fell. So that's the Irish elk. Okay, so we are seeing. Yes, I was correct. A woolly mammoth. That's what I was saying, guys. Oh yeah. So this is the Royal BC Museum. Cave painting of it. This is the information. And yep. Let's use the immersive reader to read this one.
The woolly mammoth was a commonly found animal during the last ice age. Then 10,000 years ago their numbers began to dwindle before eventually becoming extinct. Some believe that a poor habitat as a result of climate change, combined with increased hunting by humans, led to their extinction.
Okay, that was a pretty good immersive reader. And yeah, let's get on with the adventure. I noticed instead of Minecraft, we can just fly to the next It's a moa. What's a moa? A restoration of dinos, robots, and I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that either because I can't pronounce that either. And that's information. Okay. And Sir Richard Owen holding the first discovered moa fossil. Ooh, that's tall.
The moa was a flightless bird endemic to New Zealand. It reached about 12 feet in height with neck outstretched, and weighed about 230 kilograms.
Whoa.
New Zealand had been isolated for 80 million years and had few predators before human arrival. All of the moa were soon driven to extinction between 1300 to 1440 by hunting.
Pretty interesting. Well, I guess Mo is really tall. If we're 2 blocks high, let's say we're 2 meters then. That's not the height of the Mo, but that's so tall. I don't know. Let's a stellar sea cow. It's the model of the natural history museum in London. Skull of a stellar sea cow. That is so interesting. That's in London, so that's like really far away from us. Because like Stella. Okay, now let's see these.
Steller's sea cow was a huge sea cow discovered in 1741. It was found in the Bering Sea between Alaska and Russia. It was quickly wiped out by fur traders and seal hunters for food and to collect its valuable fat. 27 years after it had been discovered, the species was extinct.
Oh, that's really sad. Just 27 years. Not a long lifespan. Let's say those still a sea cow were only lived from that 27 years. After that 27 years, those old sea Oh, it looks like penguins. Orc eating a fish. It's a pretty big bird. Okay, let's look at the chat.
The great auk was very common in the North Atlantic. Around 1800, the species was under serious threat because of excessive hunting. The bird was large, meaty, and easy prey. The last pair were killed in 1844 and proves that uncontrolled hunting can wipe out a species in a short space of time.
Only 44 years. Okay, let's go to the next one. quagga. It's like a zebra. It's a subspecies of zebra. Okay. I would have got them messed up. It's a specimen with a passenger pigeon. What?
The quagga was a plains zebra that lived in South Africa until becoming extinct late in the 19th century.
Oh, that's sad.
The quagga's extinction is attributed to hunting and planned extermination. Wild grass-eating animals such as the quagga were perceived as competitors for their sheep and livestock.
That's interesting. Let's go to the next one. Hop in. I see those. I don't know how you're going to explain that in the comments. Just if you guys say zebra, say Zebra. If you say zebra, just spell it the normal way. Okay, so this is a Tasmanian tiger. I've actually heard in Australia they are trying to bring these little cute creatures, but deadly creatures, back. This is the skeleton. They have really sharp teeth. Yeah, so it's an Australian origin. That's where I come from.
The thylacine, commonly known as the Tasmanian tiger, survived into the 1930s on the island of Tasmania.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Multiple factors led to its extinction, including competition, habitat loss, and extinction of prey. They were credited with numerous sheep attacks, which led to a cull to control their numbers.
Yes, it's a western black rhino. It's the skull of a female. Oh, that's weird. Image from page 454 Brams. Life of animals. Yep. That's sweet.
The western black rhinoceros was a subspecies of the black rhinoceros.
Yes.
It lived in the savanna of sub-Saharan Africa. Poaching is partly responsible for bringing the species close to extinction, along with farmers killing rhinos to defend crops, and trophy hunting. It was declared extinct in 2011.
You see how much times they said sub-Saharan, subspecies? Then you sub. Okay. If you like this video so far, sub, because this rhino is a subspecies. And if you want to find the attribution, you can go to https semicolons www.flickr.com/photos/Mike Weston.
Pinta Island tortoises used to be abundant in the Galapagos Islands.
Yeah.
They were almost wiped out by sailors and pirates who hunted them in the 1800s and 1900s.
Why?
After the hunting ceased, new animals introduced to the area overgrazed the lands until the tortoises lost their natural habitats.
Oh, that's sad. All of them are sad. Keep saying that's sad. Place use parts here. Oh yeah, got rid of that. Ooh, look at this. Look at this place. Ooh, these are some nice snowblows. Looks like Bio and Help Desk. What is this? Welcome to the Biodiversity Lab. Explore all that you see. Each featured biome and endangered species presents a different aspect to the wonderful world of biodiversity, from the smallest level, genes, to the species to ecosystems to biomes, and how we and all species are connected across the world. Okay, let's go on this green path first. This largest eagle in the world, 1 meter tail and over 4 kg. Oh, that's a lot. Sharp eyes, 8 times distance of human eye. Hooked and powerful beak. Forest biome scientist. The Philippine eagle is a bird that hunts small mammals, fish, and other birds. Its physical and behavioral characteristics are example of species adaptations to its environment. The Philippine eagle is a large bird, but its broad wings and squared-off tail allow it to hunt effectively in the forest. Let's go. This is the forest biome. Oh, oh, that's the Philippine eagle. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, there's another one. That is so cool. How did the people make this? They made a texture pack for it. Oh, they put so much detail in making the sculptures. Now they even made a texture pack. Oh, I heard that. Okay, let's. And they made one for each biome. Oh, what's this one? Genes. Geneticist. Let's use them as a reader.
Genes contain the special codes that give individuals different characteristics or traits, like eye color in humans. Genetic diversity within a single species creates all the distinct populations, traits and adaptations, like the thousands of different breeds of dog. Genetic diversity makes every individual unique.
Okay, so genes are like, let's say you're wearing let's just give an example. And this is just going to be a random example. This is called genes. Like, let's say if you're American and if I'm Australian, which I am, that's our genes. That's what makes us all unique. Okay. Greater genetic diversity allows species to adapt more readily to changes in its environment. Bison has been reduced to small populations and lower genetic diversity. Lower genetic diversity means they are greater risk of extinction through catastrophic events like a disease outbreak. Let's get up here. What's up here? See, these are like, I think this is meant to be like our DNA, maybe. Yeah, I think this is meant to be our DNA. Oh, it could be a nice dropper though. A nice dropper. Ah, dropper. Oh, that's just sad. Okay, let's go to the next one. Zoom. Blue one. Let's go into the ocean biome. Hooked beak. Only turtle that feeds primarily on sponges. Maintain coral reef health. Coral reef have high biodiversity. More than 25% of all marine species in less than 1% of the ocean. With a nice fish tank, clownfishes, and that's an angelfish, and yes, another clownfish. Ooh. Oh, where's the science? Where's the scientist? Here we are, ocean biome scientist.
Hawksbill turtles help maintain a healthy coral reef and are a fundamental link to the maintenance and function of various species in coral reefs and seagrass beds. To understand similarities, differences and relationships between living organisms, we classify and group them. A species is a group of similar organisms that can breed together.
So this is the ocean biome. The water. There's a nice tree out here. No, I don't go. This is a turtle what they're talking about. Oh, that's another turtle. Hey, it's just like a sea turtle, but way cooler. Nah. I wish I could be a fish one day in Minecraft. I should make a video about being a fish or being a random animal. That'd be cool. Oh, what is this sea turtle doing? Can't see its head. Oh, its head is stuck. Is it? Oh, its head was stuck. I just saved a sea turtle's life. Yay, I feel good now. I just saved the sea turtle's life. Yay! Okay, let's go to the next one. Going over the fence. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's go here. This is snowy leopard. That's my favorite animal in harsh mountain ecosystem. Ooh, Siberian ibex, a prey species of the snowy leopard. I love the snowy leopard. Tonight of the top predators. I'm gonna use them.
Snow leopards are top predators in mountains of Central Asia. An ecological niche refers to a species' place in an ecosystem and the role it plays. They primarily hunt herbivores and play an important role in regulating and controlling overgrazing of alpine plants, which are important for other species.
Is there gonna be my favorite animal in there? Oh yeah, I can't wait. Hey, where are all the animals gone? Why are there buttons? Oh, to like make it like uneven land. Oh, snow leopards! Oh, they look so cute. Oh, I want to keep one of these in my house. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this snow leopard. Hey. Oh, snow leopard. You're trying to get out of here. No, snow leopard. That's not what you meant to do. Did you just escape? I'm sorry, other snow leopards. I'm sorry, snow leopard. Snow leopard. I was so sorry. Please, please, please. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to keep you safe. I love snow leopards. I don't want to harm snow leopards. Okay, which one haven't we gone to? We haven't gone to the ice. We haven't gone to the grasslands. We have gone to all the other ones. Okay, let's go to the ice. Zoom. Oh, we missed all the information. Ooh, it's a nice diagram. So it's the food chain. Lobster loves to eat fish. Eaten by that. And eaten by a polar bear. Okay, polar bears are already a thing in Minecraft, so it won't be that hard for them for Minecraft to get.
Polar bears are at the top of the Arctic food chain. The flow of energy and food between species forms food chains. Trophic pyramids show how primary producers at the bottom of the pyramid, such as algae, produce energy that flows to the top of the pyramid to consumers, such as the polar bear.
Okay, so guys, when it said algae,
Algae.
I think they made algae. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, I see the polar bears. Oh, sorry. Wait, isn't that the same noise the snow leopard make when he got hurt? Oh, did they use the same sound to make it go? Oh, it's okay, Minecraft, because we're working hard enough. Okay. We need to go to grasslands. Which one's grasslands? Grasslands, where are you? This one's... Where's the grasslands? Excuse me. Oh, the orange one. Great Plains have a sea of rich grasses and light wildflowers. Grassland diversity. There is diversity within and between grassland ecosystems. That's all the things in the world. I'm in Australia, right over there. If you're watching this, you're probably in Australia or America. I don't know. If you're not, comment down below what country you're in.
The grasslands of the Great Plains form an ecosystem. An ecosystem is the interaction of living things and non-living things in an environment. Many ecosystems can form a biome, which is a specific geographic area known for the plant and animal species living there.
Very interesting. What's that noise? It's probably a... What is that? What is that? Oh, they're all trapped. Let me help you guys. Yeah. Oh, you're just headbutting with each other. Oh, so that's what you guys are meant to headbutt each other. Okay, I'll leave you guys. Okay, I think that is all. Well, this is a very fun video. You gotta go on minecart. We gotta see this. This is amazing. I gotta see my favorite animal. Okay, in the comments below, I've already asked you to do too much stuff in the comments, but put your favorite animal down below. Okay. Okay, so that's it, and bye for now.